Welcome to Easy English for All. Made it easy. Let's learn common classroom language in English. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Be quiet, please.
Be quiet, please.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Open your books to page 12.
Open your books to page 12.
Read the instructions carefully.
Read the instructions carefully.
Work in pairs.
Work in pairs.
Work in groups of 4.
Work in groups of 4.
Let's start the lesson.
Let's start the lesson.
Pay attention, please.
Pay attention, please.
Stop talking.
Stop talking.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Does anyone have a question?
Does anyone have a question?
Let's review what we learned yesterday.
Let's review what we learned yesterday.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Speak louder, please.
Speak louder, please.
Try it again.
Try it again.
Good job.
Good job.
Well done.
Well done.
That's correct.
That's correct.
Almost, but not quite.
Almost, but not quite.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Let's practice together.
Let's practice together.
Don't rush, take your time.
Don't rush, take your time.
Write this down in your notebooks.
Write this down in your notebooks.
Who would like to read aloud?
Who would like to read aloud?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Look at the board, please.
Look at the board, please.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Stop writing now.
Stop writing now.
Hand in your assignments.
Hand in your assignments.
Have you finished your work?
Have you finished your work?
No cheating, please.
No cheating, please.
Time is up.
Time is up.
Close the windows, please.
Close the windows, please.
That's all for today.
That's all for today.
Keep your desk clean.
Keep your desk clean.
Pack up your things.
Pack up your things.
Don't forget to do your homework.
Don't forget to do your homework.
We'll have a test next week.
We'll have a test next week.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
We have no class tomorrow.
We have no class tomorrow.
May I come in?
May I come in?
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
May I go to the restroom?
May I go to the restroom?
Can I drink some water?
Can I drink some water?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
How do you spell this?
How do you spell this?
Can I borrow a pencil?
Can I borrow a pencil?
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
What should I do next?
What should I do next?
Is this correct?
Is this correct?
Can you lend me some money?
Can you lend me some money?
I think I know the answer.
I think I know the answer.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need more time to finish.
I need more time to finish.
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
What's the homework for today?
What's the homework for today?
Can we work in groups?
Can we work in groups?
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
I forgot my book at home.
I forgot my book at home.
When is the deadline?
When is the deadline?
Can I use a dictionary?
Can I use a dictionary?
Can I have extra paper?
Can I have extra paper?
My pens aren't working.
My pens aren't working.
It's time to take a break.
It's time to take a break.
This is my pencil case.
This is my pencil case.
Can you check my work?
Can you check my work?
May I turn on the fans?
May I turn on the fans?
Can I sit in the front?
Can I sit in the front?
Can you speak more slowly?
Can you speak more slowly?
Can I use my phone?
Can I use my phone?
May I go out?
May I go out?
Will this be on the test?
Will this be on the test?
I left my notebook at home.
I left my notebook at home.
Can I stay after class for help?
Can I stay after class for help?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.